Hey there! Today we're diving into something that's absolutely foundational to the internet and cybersecurity, the IP address. Imagine you're sending a letter to a friend. You write their home address on the envelope so the post office knows exactly where to deliver it. The internet works in a similar way, and that address your device uses to communicate is called an IP address, or Internet Protocol address. Every device connected to the internet, your phone, your computer, even your smart fridge, has an IP address. It's a unique string of numbers, or sometimes a mix of letters and numbers with IPv6, that tells other devices where to send data. It's like your device's digital home address. There are two main types of IP addresses, IPv4 and IPv6. IPv4 looks like this: 192.168.1.1. It's the older version and still widely used, but we're running out of those addresses. So, IPv6 came along with a much larger range like 2001 ODB8, A5A3 1000, 1000, 882E, row 37 narrow, 7334. It's more complex, but necessary for our growing number of connected devices. Now, not all IP addresses are public. Some are private, used inside your home or office network. Your Wi-Fi router, for example, has a public IP to talk to the internet, but gives your devices private IPs like 192.168.0.10 to talk to each other. Think of it like an apartment building. The building has a street address, the public IP, but each apartment has its own number, the private IP. So why do IP addresses matter in cybersecurity? Because they're key to identifying who's communicating over the internet. Attackers hide or spoof IP addresses to cover their tracks. Defenders track suspicious IPs to block threats. Tools like firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and geolocation services all rely on IP addresses to protect networks. Want a practical tip? If you're curious about your IP address, just Google "What's my IP?" And if you're running a server or doing bug bounty hunting, tools like ipconfig, ifconfig, or curl ifconfig.me can show or test your IP. We also have a whole playlist of videos covering networking concepts, including training that aligns with the CompTIA Network Plus certification. Be sure to check it out if you're ready to go deeper. Give us a like and hit subscribe for more cybersecurity tips. Catch you next time.